morning for about a month. Get to miss little things like riding to work on a longboard every morning. It's not just a ride, it's a thrill. You guys okay?
Yeah. We got held up looking underwater. We forgot to look up and see that we're behind.
Good. Provecho! Nice. Beautiful day. However, that's a big cloud that's about to head over. And I can hear thunder already. We need to get as much material as we can before it starts to rain. And we can't really be out here with our cameras, you know, in pouring rain, right? And yeah, we still have our GoPro, but I mean, we're gonna need for everyone to do all of their activities before the rain starts. All the activities that our boat has are still on hold because we got here late, and now all these other boats are doing their activities, so we're in line. And again, look at that big cloud. Beautiful sky, and then look at that. Look at all that. That's coming this way. Still no jet skis, no banana, no horseback, nothing. It's 3 o'clock and no activities of ours have left yet. We are just starting to separate because I've taken 1,700 pictures just myself. We gotta start. Now we're gonna run out of time. Oh god. Started to sprinkle just a little, and some people didn't bring a towel or anything like that, which, I mean, it's summer. You go to Mexico in the summer, you don't think to bring a towel, especially if it's sunny in the beginning of the day. The problem is if it starts to rain and you don't have a towel, barely something that could even be considered a proper shirt, and it starts to rain, you are going to be really, really cold. Look, you might be used to actual cold. Like me, I was raised in Oregon. You might come from a place of actual cold. However, usually you have proper clothing for that. Here, you're not expecting it. So as little wet as you might be, and then when you finally get back on the boat, the wind starts to kick in. That's when you feel cold. Hopefully, looks like the rain though is in TV and not so much here. I think here will be okay. Now I already feel ridiculous wearing a jacket, but this is a gift, and when you're gonna be soaking wet for over an hour, winds in the middle of the ocean, and look, I don't care about being cold. I grew up in the States. I grew up swimming in lakes with ice. I take cold showers. I work out in the rain. I love it. However, when you're working, it's a whole different story because, you know, whole different story. You actually end up exhausted for some reason. Try to film as much as I can out here, but I don't have a waterproof case. And this phone is water resistant, but I don't think it might be waterproof. So I'm not gonna risk it. It's my only camera that I have. We were able to sell Animo Procho one album here at the beach before the rain even started. Hopefully it's not our last.
Ahí vamos, ya vamos.
No! I usually leave him in the... I usually leave him in here. I forgot. There's nothing worse than wet shoes. Damn it. I could be completely soaked and I'm fine, but wet shoes, that sucks. Pop quiz! How do we show people our work when it's raining and high winds without the laptop getting wet? Good question. Huh?
Are you recording?
It's a look through. Happy birthday, man.
Thank you, man. I enjoyed everything, man. Yeah. Are you on the...
Yeah, man.
I love